back to the channel. So today I have a PR unboxing from Double Dip Nails. They are a new company. They're based in the United States in Garland, Texas. They've been working on this product for about a year. And, you know, just making sure it's right for us. Using quality ingredients. Everything is made in the United States. Everything is 100% cruelty-free and vegan. So I love that. So they're making our at-home manis simple and easy for us to do. Whether you are a dipper or whether you like to allay some acrylic, you can do either or with this product. It is a 2-in-1. If you want to practice more acrylic but you're a dipper, do that. If you want to practice more dip but you're a layer, do that. You can do either or. Their website is doubledipstore.com. You can find them on Instagram at Double Dip Nails, on Facebook at Double Dip Nails. They also do weekly giveaways on their Facebook group, which is the SecretBeauty Circle, which will all be in the description box, so you can check it out, honey. Check it out. So on their website, they have kits and they have singles, so you can purchase either one you choose if you want to purchase from them. You can also use my code Maria15, save you some coins while getting some great products, honey. Why not do it? But so like on the website, you'll see a multitude of colors. They have neons, brights, neutrals, glitters. There's something for everybody to love. They also offer a rewards program, 100% money back guarantee, and 24-hour support. So check them out. Their Instagram is Double Dip Nails, Facebook Double Dip Nails, website doubledipstore.com. So we're going to go ahead and get into the main focal point, showing you what's in this kit and how to use it. So first you're going to prep your nail as you would normally for any type of nail enhancement. And then you're going to go in with the dip base, which is step 2 in this kit. And then you're going to go in with the color of your choice, whichever color you choose. And you're going to let that set for 30 seconds. You're going to wipe away any excess powder, and then you're going to go back in with another coat of the dip base and another coat of the powder. Wait another 30 seconds. Wipe away the excess. If you're at a thickness that you like, you're going to go in with step 3, which is the activator. That's going to cause it to harden. And then you're going to go in with the dip top. Now this isn't gel top coat, so you're just going to let it air dry. Then your last step is to go in with the cuticle oil so you can be all shiny and cute, honey. Shiny and cute. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Both ways. I'm going to show you acrylic and the dip version, the way it's regularly done. And you can choose whichever one you like. You know, practice makes perfect. I've never done dip the normal way. I've always used it as acrylic. So this is going to be an experience for me as well. And you know, if it's your first time, then we can go at it together. We can figure it out. So I'm going to show this to you in kind of a slower speed at first, and then I'm going to speed it up. I'm not going to do all the fingers because then this video will be extra long. But I do like this, you guys. Like, I've never used dip before, but I like this. And I like this product. Like, I might be a dip girl. I might turn into a dipper. I'm not going to lie. I might be a little dip sometimes. And then I'm going to dip in the acrylic sometimes. Well, it's all acrylic, but it's just the way you use it. So, I like dip powder, y'all. That's so weird. Like, I didn't think I would like dip powder, but I like dip powder. It's different. It's fun. Like, layering it up. I don't know. For some reason, I like that part. And sometimes I do miss a couple of spots. So, you'll see me trying to turn my hand around so I don't miss any, but just check for that whenever you're doing it. Just make sure you don't miss any spots. But this is really, it's different, but like, I'm intrigued. I like it. I really like it. And this product is nice. This orange is fire. This freaking orange is fire. So I went ahead and applied dip powder to all of my nails, and this is what I have going on right now. And y'all, I love it. I freaking love it. I'm going to go back in and apply another coat of it to make it thicker into the thickness that I like. And I will skip this part because I don't want y'all just sitting watching that. So I'm repeating the same steps and just making it thicker. And I also went and got another little cup to put my powder inside of because it does get messy, but it's like a fun messy. Like, so I got a little cup to put it in, and it catches the excess instead of just letting it go on the table. So that's what that was for. And y'all, I'm really enjoying this. Like, I really enjoy doing this on my nails. I'm not gonna lie, it was fun. So after applying all my dip powder to all of my nails, I just dust off the excess, and now I'm going to go in with step 3, which is the activator, and that is what causes the dip powder to harden so you can file your nails into shape afterwards. So I went ahead and applied activator to all of my nails. I shaped and filed and buffed them off of camera just to cut down on time. And now I'm going in on my right hand, and I'm doing the regular acrylic steps with monomer. Excuse me, y'all. It's like 1 a.m. and I'm usually asleep by now. So I'm just going through, and on this hand, all of my nails will be a 3-color ombre. And like I said, my ombre is not the best, but it works, honey. It works. And I really love, okay, this orange does it for me. This orange really does it for me. I love this orange. Double Dip Nails, you did an amazing job on this orange. All these colors are gorgeous, but this orange is really like my favorite right now. I love all the colors though. The pink has like a little shimmer to it. It's really cute. The yellow is cute as well, but this orange is so bright and popping. I love it. But I love all of them. I'm not gonna lie, like, even though this was gifted to me in exchange for my review is honest, and I love this product. Went ahead and finished applying acrylic to my nails, and it went on smoothly, you guys. Smoothly. It works as both, as they say. It is truly is a 2-in-1. You can dip with it, and you can dip it in monomer, and it will work for you. But now I just decided to go back in and add some 3D flowers, so it works for 3D art as well. So I'm still practicing with my flowers, so this is not perfect. So I'm gonna speed through this still because I want the video to not be as long. Like, I don't want it to be so long. But yeah, just practice on your flowers. Practice at anything you want to get better at. Like, that's the only way to get better, is to practice. So I'm gonna continue to practice these little flowers, and they gonna get right one day. They gonna get right. But I think I had seen a video before where like they had like two-tone flowers, so I really wanted to try that. It didn't come out as well as I thought it would, but it still worked. It still did its job, but I want to be able to perfect it and get it the way I want it to be. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, I love these products. These are great products. So if you would like to shop with them, you can find them on doubledipstore.com, Double Dip Nails on Instagram, Double Dip Nails on Facebook, and they have a SecretBeauty Circle group on Facebook as well. I will have the link in the description box so you can join them and chat it up. You can share your nails, share anything. Like, it's for nail enthusiasts. You know, if you're at home doing nails, you have a passion for nails, join, have fun, meet like-minded people who, you know, think like you. We think about nails all the time. At least I know I do. But yeah, great products. I love it. If you want to purchase with them, you can use my code Maria15. Get you 15% off, boo. 15% off. So I went ahead and finished applying my flowers. I added some little rhinestones to it to, you know, finish off the look. I want to say thank you to Double Dip for reaching out to me and giving me the opportunity to review your product. I loved it. It was a great product for me. I mean, I will use it again, definitely. You will see this coming again. I will probably do another set that's like yellow and pink, or either just yellow, because that yellow is like a baby, like, I love it. It's a nice yellow. I'll probably do my next set in yellow. But if you would like to shop with them, you can find them on doubledipstore.com, Double Dip Nails on Instagram, Double Dip Nails on Facebook, and their SecretBeauty Circle group is also on Facebook. The links will be all in the description box. They will also be coming across your screen, so you can type it in and go check them out. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys stay blessed and stay safe.